So you might be in this really random situation where Snapchat is just giving you this type of error that says, due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled, and it gives you this SS06 error. Now, the reason why this might end up happening for the most part, number one, is usually because of some sort of community guideline strike. So essentially what ends up happening is Snapchat, if you're going through within Snapchat and you're going against their terms of service, right? If you're posting a lot of crazy stuff, if you're doing a lot of harassment, if you're doing anything associated with that, and people are reporting you within Snapchat, what's probably going to end up happening is Snapchat is going to not be happy about it, and they are basically going to go through and essentially ban your account. So what they do with this SS06 error is that it kind of is just like it's a ban basically for the most part. Now, if you have no idea what this is, if you were totally using your account perfectly fine and you don't know why this ended up happening, it could be a random glitch. So I would start off with just going inside of your app store and just updating your Snapchat application. So going right into here and literally just updating Snapchat. Most of the time, that could just be the way to go and fix this. So try updating Snapchat and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Now, if that doesn't seem to be the problem, what you might want to try doing is try logging into Snapchat with a different device. So completely uninstall Snapchat here or just sign out of Snapchat here for the most part if you're even logged in. Go into another phone and try logging in via that phone. There's a chance that might end up fixing it too. And if that still doesn't work, the other thing that you might want to try doing for the most part is try contacting Snapchat support. So go inside of your Google browser and type in Snapchat customer support. And what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and contact them. There should be an option right here for Snapchat support, and you should be able to kind of click on these types of buttons here to go and contact them right here. So you can click on contact us. You can go and submit a request. So you want to let them know I can't access my account. And then from here, you can go and let them know that your account is locked. And from here, you can let them know there should be a button here that still tells you that you need help. And it tells you you can visit the accounts portal here, and you might be able to go through and get in contact with Snapchat this way. So those are kind of the main ways to go into it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solden.